Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee cocoa powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need instant coffee, unsweetened cocoa powder, and granulated sugar. Having these on hand is the first step to creating a delicious blend. Make sure your mixing bowl is completely dry to prevent clumping. A whisk or spoon will also be helpful for thorough mixing. We're aiming for a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Now let's get to the mixing. For a balanced flavor, use a ratio of 2 parts instant coffee to 1 part unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, add 1 part granulated sugar to the mixture. This sweetness level is a great starting point, but you can adjust it later. Whisk everything together thoroughly. You want to ensure there are no lumps and that the color is consistent throughout the powder. Once your coffee cocoa powder is perfectly blended, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container. A glass jar with a tight-fitting lid works wonderfully. Store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or humidity. When you're ready to enjoy, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons to hot water or milk for a comforting drink. One of the best parts about making your own coffee cocoa powder is the ability to customize it. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar to match your desired sweetness. You can also try different instant coffee varieties, like dark roast or decaf, to change the base flavor. For an extra kick, consider adding a pinch of cinnamon or even a tiny bit of chili powder. Enjoy creating your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.